Oh, hello. I seen you found me in my rec room. Welcome to Lifestyles at the City and Beyond and Famous.
Hey, my name is Selena, and this is my husband Kamal. We've been sharing our time in Colorado, so quick recap. First, we flew from Newark to Denver, then immediately drove down to Colorado Springs, which was amazing. After a couple of days, drove back up towards Denver to check out the Rocky Mountain National Park and continued exploring the area for Kamal's first time in the Mile High City. So, we didn't mention this in our Colorado Springs video, but we're going to mention it in our Denver video, or our Colorado vlog video.
Yeah.
So, our check engine light for our rental is on. And we're like, you know what? Probably nothing will happen. But in the event that something did happen, it'd be mega annoying because we only have like 3 days left here.
Yeah, and you don't want to get stuck somewhere.
We don't want to get stuck. And we don't want something happens to the car in between Colorado Springs and Denver.
Right.
So we are currently at Enterprise, and we're going to check to see if they have any cars to swap out. It just looks like this one never got
Any cars.
Like, it hasn't gotten serviced in a while.
Yeah.
Travel away. This is the reality. Sometimes. Not all the time, but sometimes. This is the reality. Yeah. Alright, so we'll see what happens. We'll update you guys.
And after that, it was all about hitting the streets and finding good eats. First, we stopped at Ohana Grill, a lovely restaurant with Hawaiian flair. Get some fresh fish, have some teriyaki, enjoy some Spam. Next, we went to the Denver Biscuit Company with amazing coffee and biscuits the size of your head. Hope you come with an appetite or a pillow and a blanket, because this food is decadent. We also stopped at Union Station for some amazing architecture and some amazing caffeine. But after all of that, you're gonna have to walk it off, so we made our way to Rhino, Denver's lovely art district. Spoilers, they lost.
Okay, so we got Tokambi, and Kamal is finally trying the Indian taco. How do you feel?
I feel good. It's really good.
It's really good?
Yeah.
What did you get on it?
I got some black beans, some shredded cheese, braised bison, some lettuce, salsa, and some sour cream.
And I got some nachos with grounded bison, which I kind of got last time. It was different though. So now, Kamal can say he's had Indian tacos.
I can.
And not just ones that he's made himself.
And this is really good.
Worth the wait?
Absolutely worth the wait.
Boom.
This is great.
We're shipping our dirty laundry and 2 bottles of wine home before we go to the airport. Well, before we get breakfast and then go to the airport.
Yes.
Because we're not going to check in a bag this time for our dirty laundry. Oh, more clothes.
That's it. I'm very thankful that they're able to do this.
Right.
People always talk about shipping their suitcases to the location, never about shipping them back. We ship them back. It also helps when you get souvenirs and stuff, so you can take those back with you.
Especially on domestic travel.
Yeah, for sure.
Alright.
Alright.
Go in. And after a great week in Colorado, we had one last breakfast at Snooze, which was delicious. And unfortunately, it was also time to head home.
Oh, hello. I seen you found me in my rec room. Welcome to Lifestyles at the City and Beyond and Famous. I'm Kamal Siddiqui, your host for this evening. First, let's draw your attention to the recreational room, where we have a top-of-the-line foosball table. Yes, kids, a foosball table, right? You'll also notice the acoustics paired up on the top of the ceiling. Yes, these speaker systems are active, but we'll get back to that in just a second. I'd also like to point your attention to the custom artwork inside of this establishment. Absolutely wonderful. Making your way inside the kitchen, you'll find all of the necessities one would need. We have a not so mini fridge, a hot plate, a microwave, toaster, coffee oven, and yes kids, you've read that right, but inside of this cabinet there is a pizza oven. Oh my word, oh my goodness. Making our way into the living room, where there is ample space. Watch as I lay down in comfort on this lovely rug. Oh yes. Am I styling? Yes I am. Am I profiling? Even more. And did I mention there's more to be seen? The entertainment system. Now kids, you will remember these acoustics we had mentioned before, all powered by this lovely auxiliary cable. The executive lounge. Yes kids, the executive lounge, where you can ping pong to your heart's desire. Back and forth, until we make our way all the way over here to the office area. Yes kids, this is where the videos are edited, where thoughts are made, where deals are hammered out, and where the future is planned. And if that's not enough for you, you can make our way to the meditative section. Yes kids, the meditative section, where you're waiting for your chance to play ping pong and you can enjoy the great outdoors and the scenic outside. Just when you thought there would be the end of this tour, we have a full-size bathroom. Yes kids, if you need to squatty potty, wash up, clean your hands, etc., this bathroom is the place for you. With a screen door, because who wants to clean a curtain? Not me, that's for sure. But no home is complete unless you have a place to lay your head. Making our way into the bedroom, complete with the Mr. Rogers bench, where I may change twice a day. Won't you be my neighbor? Also, if you haven't noticed the acoustics, there's an acoustic. And while this lovely bed is enough for Selena and I, yes kids, that's right, we almost had someone with us on this trip, and this probably would have been their bed. So instead, you get to imagine you're here, hanging out with us, as we read nighttime stories. So this is going to be our home for the next 3 to 4 days. Don't you wish you were here? I know how happy I am. Thanks for stopping by. And we'll see you next week on Lifestyles of the City and Beyond in Famous. I'm Kamal Siddiqui, and until next week, ciao.